So let's start the water look. It's really about just like some purple violets and obviously blue. I'm gonna use a navy blue pencil and then kind of brush it all over. And then kind of just blend that with the purple. This is called the Rich Amethyst Tattoo Liner. And I'm gonna just put that on the underneath part of the eye and also on the top. Okay, so I've done both eyes in the Rich Amethyst Tattoo Studio Gel Liner. And then what I'm gonna do is create just like blue, my blue with the navy blue pencil, and also just work that as an eyeshadow and then blend very quickly with an eyeshadow brush. And then I'm actually gonna go on top with the Color Strike in blue because I actually just want it really blue. This one is called Ace. And what I'll probably do is just really map it out and then brush it out with a brush. Really just kind of brushing that very lightly also into the purple. But again, I still like the contrast between the two. And then I'm gonna do a bit of the navy on the lower part of the eye and kind of connect the blue into the purple. So once I have the eyeshadow, I'm just going to kind of blend that upwards and outwards. And I love the contrast between the blue and the purple. So I've done both eyes, and now I'm going to use the color in Lover on the lips, Superstay Matte Ink, and I love the packaging. And what I'm gonna do is just apply that and then rub those two together. And then I might actually mix a little bit of the Believer, which is a darker purple, kind of just on the up. And press. Press. And it just really gives the lips more dimension. And remember, when you just press the lips together, it just kind of makes everything blend seamlessly. Now, if you want to have a little bit more fun with the look, you can use a white gel pencil and create kind of white swirls all over the eye. What you can do as well is use the butt of the pencil as your circle or your guide, and that is just a really fun way to create a perfect circle. So I'm just going to show you. So coloring that gives you a really fun little stencil, and just placing that, you get a perfect circle. And you can keep doing that. And then you can create like little water ones and little dots. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. You can kind of have fun. But I love the idea of using that almost like a stamp, and then you can always just make that a little bit more precise by filling in. Again, so just kind of saturating the white. And you can choose to do one eye, both eyes, no white. But remember, it's just, I kind of like just the one. Makes it a little bit different.